How to block vendors' cookies and tracking technologies. Firstly, go to searsco.com, click on Login, and add your credentials and then sign in. From Dashboard, click on Cookie Consent. Select your domain from Domain Manager and go to Customize. Then click on Preferences tab. You will find this option here, Block Vendor Cookies and Tracking Technologies. If you turn on this toggle, there will be further two options: auto-block vendors and manually block vendors. If you want auto-block, turn this on, and if you want to manually block vendors, you will turn on this. Then go to Tracking Manager. You will scroll down and see there are different vendors. You can block which one you want. You can turn on and turn off the toggles. You can give them the category which one you want. You can edit the vendors from here. We have the options and then click on Update. And you can add a new vendor by clicking on it. Add the title, then select Category, then add the source and type, and then click on Save. Your vendor script will be added,